So guys, this was an amazing experience coming and attending Contact Center Expo here in Las Vegas. There was a lot of learning. There were many companies, more than 60 companies who had participated coming from the AI technology, conversational AI, data analytics, some companies from the Philippines. There were lots of companies and speakers who had come and who had shared their knowledge and information here in Contact Center Expo. I have already shared many videos on YouTube, but in case if you have missed out on it, you can simply go and check my YouTube or LinkedIn profile. You will find all that information. In case if you're a company, maybe from the US, UK, and if you're willing to outsource any work to India, Philippines, Jamaica, any of these countries, or if you're willing to set up your own captive centers, if you want to outsource it, you can directly get in touch with me. My WhatsApp number is +919511841495. In case if your employees were working in contact center or BPO industry, this is going to be a lot of learning curve for you because the AI is coming, the artificial intelligence and the technology is coming. The jobs there are many jobs that might go. So it's a high time if you guys are watching me and if you're working somewhere, if you're doing 9 to 5 jobs or if you're working in night shift in India or the Philippines, make sure that you guys will have to upgrade yourself. You will have to get into uh, different services or different expertise or skill sets. Even being in the contact center industry, you will have to learn the marketing, client acquisition, training and development, consultation, maybe also some work that you can get it from the freelancing, also about the technology of AI and conversational AI. You will have to learn and upgrade your skills. So if you're a contact center employee, this is a high time for you to upgrade yourself. Keep watching my videos on YouTube because you'll find lots of information from there. But in case if you are willing to start your own contact center, which is a perfect thing to do it now, because even if you're starting your own contact center, there is a lots of profit and it's a lucrative business. Even having an AI coming into a place. So if you want to do that, you can directly get in touch with me. My number is +919511841495, or you can visit my website is www.offshoringconsultant.com. Thank you very much.